Hey friends, today we will walk through my Notion subscription tracker. I spent months building this template to fill all my needs. It's 90% automated, but it's not perfect yet. So this video will be an inspiration for you to build something like this subscription tracker, which is so advanced. I look up on the market for premium Notion templates and I never find something even close to that. And let me show you why. Let's go for a free subscription tracker, for example, like this one. It looked decent, maybe even better than my subscription page here in my Finance Brain template. We have active status of our subscription. You can relate it to a category. We have monthly and yearly billing. There's no quarterly here. You can see yearly cost, total spend, next payment, last payment, and you can relate it to category, which is so cool. If I go to my subscription here, it's also like, it doesn't look that bad. We have next payment, last payment, all time, and maybe it doesn't look decent as this subscription tracker, but it's more powerful. And its strength show up when we go to the entire system. So let me show you, for example. We have in my system here monthly page that's automatically creates each month. Okay, each month it will be create a page, and then you can, for example, go here and relate income and all the other stuff. You name it. So if you go to the Finance Brain or to the subscription tracker, and let's create Framer. So I'm subscribed to Framer. Let's add category business, original payments. So let's say I just subscribed this month. Even I subscribed to Framer a year ago. So let's go to 11, September 11, recurrent monthly, and the account subscription. So I've created an account only for subscriptions. Okay, and I fill it with $10,000. Okay, so this PayPal account only for subscription, for example. So this is just an example, and the cost $20. Now, if we go to this month, automatically we will see we have minus $20 in the net balance because we don't have any income and we have a subscription that costs us $20. And we can see our relation here. In fact, this is not a relation. This is a formula, a so advanced formula. Because let me show you. For example, if I go here and make the original payment something like at May 25, for example, 16 May 25, or maybe let's make it 13 May 25 or 13. Now, if we go to this month, we will not see it because we subscribed at 13 of May and 13 of this month still didn't come yet. So we will not see it. But if we go to previous months, like August, for example, we will see our subscription. If we go to July, we will see it too. And June also, we will see it. And without doing anything, it's so automated. Just some advanced formula and some logic, we can do this. It also works with yearly and quarterly, the same thing. For example, if we go to original payment and let's make it February 2024. So let's make it February 2024, something like 25, and we make it quarterly. Okay, it will disappear because here only show this month's subscription. That means this month we will not pay for this subscription. And yeah, that's true, because if we go here, we will not see it. But because it's quarterly, we should see it on February 2025. Also, we should see it on May 2025. Therefore, we should see it at, I think, so if we have quarter, so we will see it on August too. And the same for yearly. If we go and create a new yearly subscription, it doesn't matter the name, you just make it yearly, something like at January 1. Let's make it 2024. Now, if we go to recurring and make it yearly and cost $100, for example, we can go to, so let's name this one house rent, for example. And let's make it 10,000. Maybe we pay 10,000 each month. Sorry, it's only 1,000, 10,000. And if we go to months here, we should see it on January 2025. So yeah, here is it. We have 10,000 in our subscription cost. So this, you just need to create your subscription and let it go. Now, what if you create a subscription and you decide to finish it? The problem is, my friend, is the system will keep calculating, okay? So we need some other advanced logic. So let's go back to our first subscription, which is Framer. So if we go to a Framer, here is it. Okay, let me click on Framer and let's make it monthly. All right. And if we go to Finance Brain here, so here is it. And what we are going to do is let's open this one. So in a normal use of this template, once you finish a subscription, you will go and make it finished. And automatically the subscription end date will be filled automatically. But if I did end it in this today, the example will not work, but we want to show an example. So let's say we end it at August 23. That means we will not pay in this month, of course, because it's end. But also, if we go to August, we will not see it. Why? Because the subscription starts at 25 February and we end it at 24 August. So just 2 days before paying the subscription, we end it and we will not see it in our August month. Of course, we will see it in July. The same thing goes for quarterly and yearly. So yeah, once you finish it, it will stop calculating. And it will also stop calculating from my finance profile. So for example, if we go here, all paid subscription, we can see 20,360. If we see how many subscription we have house rent, which cost us 20,000. We pay at January 24 and January 2025. And Framer, if we go to all time spent, we can see 360. So that's why this subscription tracker that I spent months, it's actually so easy to build it. It's not something like you need third-party apps and etc. automations. The only automation I'm using is when I click on finish, it should fill the subscription end date. But it needs logical thinking and building so advanced formulas. Now, guys, if you really like this subscription tracker, let me know if you want a video tutorial step by step how to create it, because you can't create this subscription tracker alone. You need a system like Finance Brain in order to work and to see these advanced features, okay, relating to months, to accounts, to budgeting. Also, I will leave the link of the Finance Brain in the description below. And yeah, thank you and see you in the next video.